Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa akin channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. Welcome to everyone. This is our PSE Weekly Performance Review, week number 5 of 2026. During the week, the PSE weakened across most sessions, slipping deeper from early week bargain levels as profit-taking and economic concerns took hold. The benchmark tested 6,200 support after its stronger sectors earlier in the month lost momentum, and most heavyweight stocks closed in the red amid cautious positioning. The key factors affecting movements are: number 1, disappointing GDP data. Fresh statistics showed the Philippine economy expanded just 3% in Q4 of 2025, the slowest post-pandemic pace, which triggered broad selling as investors reassess growth expectations. Next is the risk of sentiment. Weaker growth raised near-term risk aversion and prompted risk of flows across financials, property, and consumer sectors. Number 3, sector pressure. Financials and property led declines, while mining and oil remained defensive bright spots, buoyed by commodity strength. And lastly, index reshuffle news. Ahead of the February rebalancing, the PSE announced RL Commercial Rate or RCR will replace Alliance Global or AGI in the PSE, a structural index development investors are positioning for. The important news with impact. Weaker than expected GDP figures trigger broad sell-off. The release of slower economic growth data dampened sentiment sharply, prompting broad selling pressure that dragged the PSE lower and eroded earlier gains, a clear example of fundamentals driving market flows. In summary, the week's market was shaped by disappointing economic data which pressured sentiment and key sectors, especially financials and property, while resource plays offered relative refuge. The GDP miss was the standout news catalyst driving the move, and structural index changes like RCR joining PSE are influencing positioning ahead of rebalancing. Among blue chips, Ayala Corporation saw corrective price action testing support after earlier strength. Ayala Land Incorporated remained range-bound near multi-month lows. And Banco de Oro showed near-term technical weakness despite neutral mid-term structure. Converge ICT maintained relative strength, holding near rising trend lines, while GT Capital Holdings and JG Summit Holdings traded sideways within consolidation ranges. Jollibee Foods Corporation faced short-term sell pressure but fundamental growth narratives provide support. Metrobank softened with the banking sector's pullback yet held key bases. Megaworld stayed in a bearish consolidation with tactical oversold bounces, and SM Prime Holding tested support with potential for trend resumption if resistance breaks with volume. Most blue chips are now in consolidation or short-term corrective phases, awaiting clearer macro guidance or catalyst-specific developments before broader trend continuation resumes. As we wrap up, the market is simply doing what it naturally does, consolidating. This space isn't a signal to rush, but a reminder to stay disciplined. Ignore the noise, stick to your plan, and remember, opportunities don't reward aggression, they reward timing. And that is all we have for this week. In case there's a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao!